Hi everyone and welcome to week 8 of Math 130. This is our final week of the term. We made it. Last week we began a 2-week section on financial math and we talked about different types of interest. This week we will be talking about annuities and loans. So what are annuities and loans? Well, we have probably all heard of a loan before. A loan is money that a person borrows from a bank or other institution. As the loan goes on, interest is added to the total amount owed and the borrower pays the total amount owed in equal payments. An annuity is typically a type of contract between a person and another entity, like a bank or an insurance company. The individual pays the bank money in equal payments over time. That money is invested and interest is earned, and at the end of some period, there will be a total amount accumulated. So what are the components that go into annuities and loans? Well, first there's the future value, which is denoted FV. The future value of an annuity is how much money there is after a period of time of making payments and accumulating interest. The present value, denoted PV, is the present value often of a loan. This is the amount owed currently, possibly after some payments have already been made. PMT stands for the periodic payment, meaning the amount that is being paid to the bank every period. I is the interest rate per period. Remember, we learned last week that I is equal to R over M, where R is the annual rate and M is the number of periods in a year. And finally, N is the number of total payments made. To find N, we take the number of periods in a year, M, and multiply it to the total years that have passed, T. Just like last week, this week is all about the formulas. As long as you know the formulas, you can solve every problem of the homework just by plugging in the right values to the right formulas. Please make sure you have downloaded and printed the week 8 formula sheet. This is posted in Brightspace in both the announcements and the discussion board. Making sure you input your formulas into the calculator correctly is a huge issue this week. Please continue using the Web 2.0 calculator to help you so you can really see what the formula looks like before you hit enter to find that final answer. We used this calculator a lot in week 7 and it will be just as helpful this week. For our final week, you have your last homework assignment, homework 8-2 in my math lab. You also have your last exam, exam 4, which is due on Sunday of week 8. Please note that you must have this exam finished by Sunday of week 8. You do not have until Tuesday like you have in the past. All of your past homework assignments are open to you. Remember, you can return to any of those assignments to bring up your score, but all makeup homework must be in by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. As always, there are lots of resources to help you. Please make sure you do your reading in the textbook. This week, you want to read sections F3 and F4. Remember, just like last week, you can find section F by going through the multimedia library link in my math lab. Check out the resources posted in the Module 8 folder, in the announcements, in the discussion board, and don't forget, tutoring is available through the Academic Support tab. As you work this week, please keep in mind that the term is over this Sunday and grades will be computed and turned into the school promptly. All your work has to be turned in by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. This includes your week 8 homework, exam 4, and any and all makeup work. There are no extensions after Sunday, so please make sure you get your work in early to avoid last-minute mishaps. If there is anything I can do to help you this week, please get in touch. It has been a genuine pleasure to work with you this term. Good luck in our final week.